Hey guys, so just a quick video, kind of like an intro thing to these doors that I found on Craigslist. These are like the later C3 style doors, and they're in pretty rough condition, but there are a lot of good parts in them, and I'm gonna basically take them apart. So things like these little covers, they have hinges, which seem to be okay. Everything is kind of has a lot of surface rust and some rust damage, but nothing that couldn't be fixed. Not that I'm going to use these doors or anything, because these are, like I said, the later model C3 doors. However, things like these window motor covers, I only have one. This is the passenger side. The other door, unfortunately, did not have that cover. And actually, recently I went to Corvette Generation down in Date City, and I bought this one. I just finished repainting it and getting it ready for to install in my car, because mine is missing. But anyway, like I said, a lot of good parts, like these rubber conduits between the door and the door jamb for all the wiring to go through. They're there. And sometimes when you need one of those, I mean, I'm sure they're not cheap if you can find them. And so I'll have a set of those. There's some wiring in here. So anyway, and the best part, oh, and they also have the trim pieces here, which are secured by little screws. So all in all, I think there's a lot of good stuff here that I'm going to be able to use, like the latches in here, all the mechanism inside the doors for the windows. I think most of the parts are there. I hope they are. If not, I'll have to find some of those. But I want to clean the whole thing, rebuild those window mechanisms, just to, in case if I ever need them, or if, maybe sell them, whatever. I don't know just yet. But oh, and the best part, I paid $20 for both doors, so $10 a piece. I think the hinges alone are worth $10 each, if not 4 times that. So, and of course they have a lot of rust, but look at this, have the springs, and they seem to be in good shape. So anyway, I think it was a real bargain. I'm glad the guy actually saved these doors. He had them for years. But anyway, I'll keep you updated on what projects I do with these doors. They're gonna be different chapters as far as hinges, motors. So that's it for now, guys. See you later. Bye.